Hey everyone, Quicksai here. Today we're going to be talking about the hierarchical organization of life. However, we're going to start from atoms to organisms. In the previous video that I did the hierarchical organization of life from cells to organisms. So let's begin. The question that we're going to ask to begin this lesson is, how are things built in this world? Well, things are usually built from combining simple things together to get something complex. I'm sure you would agree with that. Think about this for a second. Say, for example, you're building your dream home. In order to build your dream home, you might need bricks, blocks, steel wood, concrete, paint, and glass for the windows. All of those are the simple basic things that you need to build a house. Now, depending on what you want your dream home to look like, that will determine the material you need to build your home. However, you get the point. By combining these things in specific ways, you can get different designs or different styles for the dream house that you want, or a specific type of dream home that you want. It's by simply combining these simple things that we see and use on a daily basis. It's the same way how the hierarchical organization of life works. As you know, matter is all around us and everything is made of matter. Atoms are the basic form of matter. So if we were to look at how things are organized from simple to complex in the hierarchical organization of life, we would start with the most basic thing, which is the atom. So, first comes the atom, then many atoms combine together to form a molecule. Many molecules then combine together to form a compound. Compounds combine together to form a cell. Cells combine together to form tissue. Tissue then combines to form organs. And organs then combine to form organ systems, and many organ systems will form an organism. You are an example of an organism. I am an organism. We are both human beings. The dog is an organism. The lion is an organism. The hierarchical organization of life shows you how things are organized from basic to complex. Remember, with atoms being the most basic and then forming organisms, which is the most complex for this example. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Subscribe and stay awesome.